was going to water this, but I think I will take care of this potato that is so ready. Let's do it. All this soil from the previous potato, and I will restore that soil, mixing with better things, and maybe I have so many plants. I want to do more potatoes, but let's do the other one. All that we got from that plant. The little ones I will use to do more potatoes, so I will take those ones and put in the windowsill to let them get some growing. I think this one too, and this one, no, maybe, we will see. Oh, there is. But sometimes it's just, I think this one too. So, and this one is very green, so maybe I will do it too. So this can be for new potatoes, and all this has to dry. Don't wash, don't do anything, just let it dry. Also with the soil, so the skin will not be so delicate, and you can use that. It's the second ones that we have, and let's go to see the other plants. Yeah, all these will go to the compost. These will be recycled, and I will do more potatoes on that one. Look at this flower, so beautiful. The tomatoes are growing. I think this one is ready. I will wait for the end of the day. Okay, let's water all these. Get ready for gardening, and I remember I have all this soil. But you know what? I have a lot of holes that this monster made. So let's fill those holes. It's everywhere. Look at these holes. And I know it's another one here. Let's fill this one first. Amazing how much he did, and I still having a lot to do. So that will be when I open that other one. Okay, let's get the other plant. we will take some of the tomatoes that we will use today. Some of the beans. I think I need to freeze some of those. That one is almost ready too. And clean a little this. That will be good. I just watered these. I think I will remove little of the weed, trim here and put this logo. Next one, the head, these ones. Okay, we will do the same in this area. We will have to take a lot of the lavender. Now let's work on this area. It will not be a big thing to see. Okay, I think I got this more clean. Oh, gladiolas is coming. I think will be the first gladiolas. see what else it was. And I drink this one. Let's see. Yeah, it looks better in that size for now. Now I see who is eating mine. Can you see? Have two little birds. Of course they are delicious. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? No. This is short lady.